Hello, and welcome to this Descartes training and educational video. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate dispatch with route planning functionality. Dispatch with route planning gives the users the flexibility to move stores and routes in the dispatch tab prior to consolidation. We will also print delivery receipts and preload scanners. Users need to enter a first delivery date for a trip to use the route planning functionality. From the RDS4's inbound module, select the Inbound tab, select a trip. Enter the first delivery day by clicking on the drop-down calendar and selecting the first delivery day. Save your changes. Navigate to the Outbound module's Dispatch tab. On the far right of the screen, check the box labeled Show Stores with Non-Consolidated Freight. This will add the non-consolidated freight into the Dispatch tab for routing. Stores that are scheduled for delivery but have not been set up in routing default to URS in Dispatch tab. URS stands for Unrouted Stores. This is visually indicated when URS is displayed in bold red letters. Stores should be placed in a valid route before processing. You can complete this in Dispatch by selecting the store in URS and dragging it and dropping it into a route. Save your changes. You can make the permanent change later in Default Route Management. Deliveries grouped together in green have consolidated and non-consolidated freight for the same store. All non-consolidated deliveries display ASN in the CPRO column. Total cartons displayed in red indicate the store is over maximum capacity or under minimum capacity. Please note that these capacities are profiled in store maintenance. These shipments can be moved during the route planning to meet capacity requirements. As an example, this store is receiving 70 cartons, but the maximum capacity is set to 40. We can move the shipment with 30 pieces to a future delivery day to meet the capacity and save our changes. Users can also perform a split scan to complete this task. See the split scan training video on this process. Users can move any store to a new route or new day. Save your changes. Users can also move an entire route to a new delivery day. Save your changes. If you move stores for the same day within the same route, the consolidated and unconsolidated stops will move as a group. Save your changes. When moving these same deliveries to a new route or new day, each stop must be moved individually. Save your changes. The route planning manifest and the route planning totals are the only reports that combine both consolidated and non-consolidated carton totals. Please note that only consolidated trips are included when printing delivery receipts and preloading. Printing delivery receipts. When all the trips are consolidated, users can print the delivery receipts. There are several options to print delivery receipts. Selecting day gives you the option to print deliveries by the dispatch day. Selecting route expands your option to dispatch day and route. If you select a delivery, your options expand to several more methods for printing delivery receipts. You can print a single delivery bill by clicking on the delivery. After the report is displayed, select the print option. Select your printer, enter your number of copies, and print. Toggling on the report viewer will move you back and forth into the retail distribution system. Preloading delivery scanners. To preload delivery scanners, select a delivery day or a route in the route column. Select the preload option on the outbound toolbar. The type will default to delivery. Only routes with pending deliveries are displayed on the preload screen. The checkbox at the top right of the preload box can be used to select or deselect all. The default setting in routing is used to either build the preload for cradling or wireless. When selecting a single route, users have the option to toggle from cradle to wireless or vice versa. When selecting multiple routes, the default setting will be used. After completing your selection, click Create. For the demo, we will build preloads for all routes. The status of the preload can be viewed in the preload column. When these are built, you can cradle your scanners to load the deliveries into the devices or synchronize your wireless devices to receive the preloads. Thank you for watching this Descartes training and education video.